when Radhika and I have done so much of work with so many songs in our life and in our career, and so many people we have introduced, so many actors in our journey through to this point. And we were thinking it's time that we do a love story, with a new boy and a new girl, and that's what we wanted to do. And when we reached there, so we were thinking of doing a love story with a new boy and new girl, and then every love story which features a new boy and new girl when you're launching has its own music, which binds the film together. And we had the script, but we were also looking out for our music, okay, what is our music going to be for this film. And we were shooting for Prem Ratan Dhan Payo ka, we were directing a song for Salman for Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. वहाँ पे we met Himesh ji, and we did like 7 days of sitting with Himesh sir, and we got all our tracks, and 7 दिन में means we finalized all our songs, and we had this, our baseline अगर आप जानते हो उसका है कि love story sealed with a curse, तो जो अब हमें गाना चाहिए था जो कर्स मतलब बद्दुआ पे, एंड फिर हमने एमएस जी से वही कहा, एमएस जी नाउ वी हैव टू कंपोज अ सॉन्ग ऑन द बेस लाइन ऑफ द फिल्म, एंड देन ही केम आउट विद सनम तेरी कसम तेरा जाना जैसे कोई बद्दुआ दूर जाओगे तुम मत जाएंगे, एंड दैट्स हाउ सनम तेरी कसम वाज सॉन्ग.
I think it's a dream start. Every actor would want to be firstly and foremostly loved on the set. And I think the two experts of love have handled me with a lot of love. So I think it's a dream start. And it's a love story. So, and it's a story where, where the plot is such that it's a very rare story where a girl gets to perform so much. So I think as an actor, as a person, and as a girl who would be fond of love stories, this is a dream set, a dream script, and dream director.
See, every launch film which have got a boy and a girl, which is whether it is मैंने प्यार किया, whether it is क़यामत से क़यामत तक, और particular recent आशिकी 2, जहाँ एक नया लड़का नई लड़की होते हैं, वहाँ म्यूज़िक एक पोइट्री ऐड करता है टू द नैरेटिव, सो म्यूज़िक के बगैर वो एक कहानी बनती नहीं है और कंप्लीट ही नहीं होती है, तो उसके लिए म्यूज़िक इज़ इम्पेरेटिव, एंड व्हेन लाइक आई सेड, हमने कहा हमारी पिक्चर ट्रेजेडी एंड रोमांटिक एंड इट्स अ लव स्टोरी. नाउ हिमेश सर के अंदर एक व्हाट यू कॉल द मोस्ट रोमांटिक पर्सन इज लिविंग इनसाइड ऑफ हिमेश सर, एंड द रोमांटिक सॉन्ग्स व्हिच ही कम्स आउट विद, एंड जो एक जिसको हम लोग अपने उसमें कहते हैं एक दिल तोड़ किस्म के गाने जो ट्रेजेडी में पार्ट ऑफ होते हैं, उसके लिए आई थिंक हिमेश सर, there is nobody as good as Himesh sir in this industry. I think he just completes the love story which we are making.
As my directors say, they say that I'm a tailor-made Saru. So Saru's character is me. That is why me and Saru were put together in the first place. So the character is of a girl who's very simple, yet she's very ambitious, and she's very silently, quietly ambitious. She has this spark in herself, but because she's a very family-oriented girl, so she wouldn't let that spark above her family values and her family. So I think she's a simple girl with a big heart, very kind heart, and rest tell about her. What do I say about the girl?
I always tell when we met Mavra for the first time, and we interacted with her, and when we finalized her, so everybody said, say something about Saru. So we always say that, what do we say about a girl who's 22 at that time, and who's so pretty, and
who, and then people continue to say who.
Yes.
So we leave it there, so people can carry on the who and describe.
So a girl who's 22, who's so pretty, what do we say about her?
I just know that Saru is a piece of my own heart, written by them of course, but while playing it, I've never felt so touched by a character so much so that I started to believe that it is me. And when you put a piece of your own heart in front of people, it's odd to get all whatever we are already receiving, all the appreciation and everything. So Saru is a piece of my heart.
I'll tell you what, there is a, when you're working with, we have till now worked with stars, so there is, when you're working with stars, there's a lot of responsibility, and when you're directing a song for Salman, then he's Salman, you know, he's so larger than life, he's such a superstar, there's so much of a fan base and everything, so you have to keep all that in mind while you're directing him. But when you're directing two newcomers, na, they are actually pure. They surprise you at every point, you know. When you say you depict love, or you depict sadness, or you depict angst, you depict heartbreak, everything like surprises you with the emotions that which come on their faces, and the way they interpret your own thoughts, you know. It surprises you, and that's where the joy of working with the newcomers is, you know, that there are no parameters, you're just discovering the whole thing, and everything, they take it beyond the level that you had visualized yourself, you know. Okay. I'll tell you what, there is nothing called recreating anything, you know. Every creative is a fresh creative. You know, when we are doing a creative, we are not carrying a baggage of, यार मैंने लकी में अदनान सामी के साथ इतना बड़ा हिट म्यूज़िक दिया था, अभी मैं हिमेश सर के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए, तो वो, you know, you don't work with a baggage, you know. Every time you work on a creative, you are with a fresh mind, you are approaching it with a fresh approach, and that's how you deliver it, you know. So Sanam Teri Kasam, I don't know about Ashki 2 and all, but Sanam Teri Kasam is pure, generated from Radhika ji and my minds and heart. And with Harsh and Mavra living up to Saru and Inder, I think it's going to be an experience and a lifetime of a film.
I also feel the same about it. I think we are actually going to. I don't want to speak very high of anything at this point of time, but I think the people are going to be absolutely surprised in a very good way. And I really, because the first song is out, and I can already see the feedback coming. I think it's very fresh, and I have not at least seen this kind of love story before. It's very heartfelt. People are going to smile with us and cry with us. So I wouldn't want it to refer it to an Ashiki 2 or something. It is Sanam Teri Kasam in its own way, and I'll just let that be for a while till the film comes out and till people say what they have to say.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you, Mavra.